Stoneveil, one of the most famous buildings in Elden Ring. Lots of players need to step into it and fight with the Garrick and mark it. We know for the Hidetaka Miyazaki, the sandbox game design in map is pretty well-known and awesome. But pay attention, it's not like the open world game. The sandbox is more like a design concept. Compared with the open world game, I believe the target is the main difference. Let's say in GTA 5, we can ignore the target and pay attention to find or locate something interesting in the world. But for the Dark Souls and Super Mario, we always explore the map and solve the puzzles with a clear target, that is to pass the stage. This time for Elden Ring, he placed his sandbox map in Stoneveil. How does Hidetaka Miyazaki design the castles? What is its reference in reality? Is Ranger? Please subscribe me and give me a thumb here. Let's start our video. Speaking of castles, there are two main parts we need to focus on: defense and developing. For Stoneveil, I would love to introduce it based on the route I walked. At first, it lies on the upland and it can help observe and defend itself. We start from the castle world tunnel. With the towering outer walls, visitors always need to look up. In this way, it can maintain its steadiness. Outer defensive walls also gain different huge combat platforms and barrelments for arrows. And we could notice there is a tower for defensive node. Apart from that, the towers are octagon. With this design, it can easily protect itself and strike back enemies. But from my vantage point, maybe circular tower is a better choice. The wall applied squared stones for wall construction. Apparently, they are redesigned by craftsmen. And the tunnel has barrel-vault roof with arch framing. The towers beside the gate are controlled by the upper room. The gate is a grilled wooden gate, controlled by a winch above, with grooves on either side of the entrance to guide the direction. And the upper parapet also protrudes outwards, supported on a multi-layered, cantilevered beam bracket, with a band of small arches at the bottom, which can enrich the light and shadow variations at the top. The lower leaf decorated moldwork, and the wide step ramp connecting each other to deal with attackers. If someone just walked through the gate, they can close the gate, then it is like catch a rat in a hole. Besides, what we need to pay attention is the scaffolding. In general, scaffolding represents restoration and extension. But for this game, it should refer to the characteristic fighting in the narrow terrain. As for the wall, the gray of the stone becomes the main color, and reliefs and hollowed-out carving for decoration. What's more, the shape of carving also like the branches of the earth tree, which echoes it is called of people in this world. The towers may refer to the onion dome with difference. The overall design of the exterior is solemn and combines with more Gothic style. When we step in the castle, we'll notice it is light up with stuff instead of natural light. Based on this analysis, we will easily notice that Stoneveil mainly focuses on defense, and it conveys beauty through carvings along the walls and the interior room design in the castle. Maybe we could talk about it in next video. Well, maybe you have an inch to design your own scene, but you don't know how to start. What's the preparation? Okay, that's not a problem. In Wingfox, we have a course named World Buildings in Unreal Engine. And this course will mainly focus on foundation knowledge about how to create a 3D world with 3D Max and Unreal Engine. And this one completely follows the game industry rules in game environment. It means you will know how it works and what's the standard. Apart from that, we know how to run the world smoothly is always a problem for designers. But the lecturer, can you imagine? He used to work as level artist in Ubisoft and taught students in UNF Academy. I believe he will bring you a lot in the lesson. And now it is only $69. Remember, opportunity knocks but once. Just click the link and learn more about it. Well, that's all for the video. If you love this video, just leave me a thumb and subscribe me. It's Ranger. Let's talk about the inner construction in Stoneveil next video. See ya!